Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I am Salil Saran.
And where do you stay?
My wife Nidhi. We stay at Niyati Enclave, Mohammadwadi.
Okay. So how old is your child?
My kid is 2.5-year-old, Sanidhya Saran.
Okay. And what kind of institutes were you looking out for him?
See, we did little research before putting up her in this school. We thought we'll find a school where education will be given from the point of bringing up the child, having a command on English, getting gel well with other things, understanding the upcoming trends of education, and learning the basic things that the child started learning with holding up the pencil, doing the coloring, and basically it gives a
basic
etiquettes. So that's what we were looking forward, and definitely the school with a good infrastructure. So
okay.
And we there. That's why we find Sera has really a nice infrastructure, very well built up, and having all sort of facilities to provide education to the kids. Swimming pool, small swimming pool, the garden, the stage for the various cultural programs, and they are doing really good.
Okay. So apart from Sera, what are the other options you considered?
We have gone through the schools area in and around this area. There are many schools which we have gone through.
Okay.
Like
was Indus.
Indus, we went through the Indus. Then ABC Montessori. So,
Okay.
And then there is a Little Angel.
Tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe. Putte Patil. So, and finally we arrived here because we find it this is one of the best. We thought it's the best out of all those schools.
Okay. So how's your experience been so far? Could you tell us two good things about Sera?
A good thing is that yes, now initially my kid was not very getting gel well with other kids, and in the starting he used to cry for 1 or 2 days, 3 days, and then now he got settled, and he is learning really good thing, and many times he, while sleeping he says, "Thank you God," and that's what the thing, it comes out of his own, and Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, all these things which he is learning, the etiquettes and respects for the others and all. It's really good for him.
Okay. And apart from that, would you have any suggestion for Sera International?
I think the Sera should keep it up what they are doing it, and involve more and more activities. I think now today only his teacher says tabla teacher is coming and they are taking good interest. So the more on Indian culture, because we are going towards the modernization, but then we should not forget our Indian culture. And I find that yes, Sera is taking the initiative for those things, and tabla is one of them, which is our own from the music side and all. So I think we should concentrate on the Indian culture part, and we should carry on with the international along with it.
Okay. So how likely are you to recommend Sera International to other parents on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest?
It will be 5.
It will be 5.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.